Hi, I'm Travis Vergens, Midwest, Northeast Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today we're getting ready to ship another Lyco micro drum screen. The micro drum was first developed in 2015 as the need in the food industry saw the benefits of finer screening. The Lyco micro drum screen allows processors to gain significant savings by reducing the amount of solids sent to the treatment system and increasing product recovery. This is achieved by using both mesh and wedge wire construction. Finer screening means lower BOD, TSS, and TKN, with some astonishing numbers before and after the micro drum screen in both vegetables and poultry wastewater streams. The drum is highly engineered with special flights to give the drum a sound construction. The wire mesh is wrapped very tightly to the flights and bolted securely. If you find the screen opening needs to be changed, the screen sections are easily removable. As the solids auger to the end, there's an additional section of wedge wire to allow for more time to drain any loose water from the outgoing solids. The micro drum has its own sump and high pressure pump, so little to no fresh water is required for cleaning the drum. The unit uses previously screened water from the drum and pumps the water back to the spray bar. Our water reuse system uses timers, resulting in a closed-loop CIP system. So if you have any liquid-solid separation needs, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call the main office at 920-623-4152.